how to withdraw on Bloxflip. So as of 2025, unfortunately, Bloxflip is no longer operable or Bloxflip is shutting down. For you to be able to still play it, just go to bflip or bloxflip.com's official site and just tap or click on this link right here that it says start playing. So once you click on that, you will be redirected to a new window which actually works the same thing with Bloxflip. They have just recently changed their name, but the website is still the same. So for you to be able to withdraw money on Bloxflip, all you have to do is from the right portion of your screen, you scroll all the way down till you find withdraw. But for you to complete this process right here, you'll have to set up your basic information like first name, last name, your address, and as well as your date of birth. Now, once everything is filled out, you will now then be redirected to your payment method or your preferred payment method. So just simply choose on a specific payment method for you to be able to withdraw the money and have from Bloxflip to your payment method. So that's how easy and quick you can withdraw on Bloxflip.